Hi everyone, this is Queen Coin, and today I'm going to show you around my dorm at App State. Let's get started. Alright, so starting from outside of my dorm, this is my door. And this is the hallway. So since it is the end of the semester, I don't have anything on my door. Those have to be taken off before we move out. Okay, so this is the inside of my dorm. This right here is my roommate's side, her desk, the back of our door. There's spots to hang your towels there. My roommate's wardrobe, a mirror, microwave, and our fridges. And then here's my side of the dorm. And I'll go into more detail. Okay, so starting from the front, this is the micro fridge, which is a microwave and a fridge combination. This actually came with the room, which is an exceptional case that usually does not happen. And then this is the fridge that I have from home, my roommate's Keurig. I do recommend either renting a micro fridge from school or bringing your own from home, either you or your roommate. It really does come in handy. And it's up to you to decide whether you need a freezer component, which this one has, or just a large refrigerator. So here is my desk. The desk is pretty large, a lot of room to lay your things down on it. And on the side of the desk there are two cubbies, and then there's a drawer. I'm gonna open up the drawer so y'all can see inside. The drawer is very deep and very large. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the end of the school year, so things that are in this drawer usually are not, just so I can pack up my things easier. That's why they're there. And then on top is a pull-out drawer, or a pull-out portion of the desk, just for extra surface area. And then here is a more shallow drawer. It's just as deep as the other one I just showed. And again, an additional pull-out portion for extra surface area. And then I have my lamp, which I got from IKEA, my dishes that I have from home, and then a bucket that I got from my job. And again, I'm just keeping random things in there. So onto my bed. The bed comes up about 1 yard. I got this two storage bins right here, the green one and the black one, from Walmart. A large reusable tote bag is also a good thing to bring, just for additional space. And also if you go shopping on campus, or you have a lot of things to carry around on campus that won't typically fit in your backpack. A majority of my bedding did come from Target. My comforter, my sheets, and the body pillow and the case for the body pillow also came from Target. The cat face pillow and the eye pillow, both of those came from Five and Below. They were about $5 each. And then the black and white cat pillow came from IKEA. This plaid, red and black, is actually a scarf. Because it's so large, I use it for a blanket. It does get pretty cold here in Boone, so an extra layer does come in handy. The blanket my grandmother made me. And then onto the wardrobe. The wardrobe is pretty large. Almost all of the wardrobes on campus are about the same size. So just to show you inside of the wardrobe, this is the first half. I have hangers. During the winter, I was using the hangers way more to hang my sweaters and my heavier items. Since it's starting to be spring, it's definitely way warmer. Here's a mirror. Full length mirror. Comes in each wardrobe in the dorm. So that's it for the first half. And then for the second half, there's a cubby space on top that I use to put my shoes, a longer space for longer garments, and I also have my dirty clothes and my shoes on that side. Another thing about the cubbies down here, they are adjustable. So if you don't need as much space, you can adjust them. Right? So, the top of my wardrobe, I have these two bins. These I got from IKEA. And I just use them for additional storage. One has shampoo and cleaning items and hair products and all that, and then the other one has things that I can keep for when I move out, so like large plastic bags and stuff like that. One thing I do like about this dorm is definitely the window. This dorm is on the west side of campus, I believe, and my dorm in particular faces north, so I do get a good amount of sunlight. Right there is the grocery store that I walk to pretty often. It's actually closer to the dining hall, and just a view from outside. The windows are pretty good, so the air doesn't get through it. The air conditioning is actually right below my bed. As you can see here, I have some dryer sheets on top of it just because I don't like the way that the air smells. It's kind of stale, but I definitely try to use the window as air conditioning when I can. Right. So again, this is my dorm room. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. So thank you so much for watching my video. There are 3 things that I forgot to mention. This hall does have community bathrooms. There is an individual stall option. This dorm also has carpeted floors. So if you want to bring a rug, that's a good idea. If you also want to bring a small vacuum cleaner like we have, then that's also another good idea, just to keep your space clean. And lastly, I forgot to bring up one of the dressers that also comes standard inside the dorm. It was underneath my bed, but it does have 3 drawers on it, and they're also very deep. So if you have a lot of clothes that you intend on bringing when you come to App State, you'll definitely have enough room for it. Like my video, comment, subscribe. I'll definitely have more. If you have any questions about App State, feel free to leave it down in the comment box and I'll be sure to answer. Hope y'all have a nice day. Bye.